Happy 2025. Happy New Year's.
We hope you had a good New Year's. And we're going to make this video for all of you guys if you wanted to come to the rainforest. Now, come on, let's go.
If Nathan's seen this, I saw Nate.
Where?
If Nathan, if you're seeing this, you have a car in the rainforest. Rainforest. Where's Nathan?
There's no frogs, turtles, mini verses, jellyfish, and there is magical rocks that you can take home.
From South America to the United Kingdom, even Asia.
Any colors, and you can take.
What's her name?
Hi. I am. And there's a goodie bag so you can take
Or very so many questions that you can get. And yes, you can also keep them. Here is some Hello Kitty toys and
Squishmallows.
and there's Gabby Cat, a little panda, and over here there's backpacks, flamingos, butterflies, fish, and a tree, and also stones that you can take home. Here we're gonna leave you in the way. There's a magical fish tank right here. There's a starfish, and come here you can get your table.
And they're
Ayden and Delilah, what are you guys doing?
I don't know what am I gonna get, but I'm thinking about it. So I'm gonna order my drinks, so I'm gonna get some milk and I'll get some chicken nuggets.
Show her, Ayden.
Isn't that's the imposter, right?
Wait,
No?
I don't know yet.
I don't know either. I thought that's how that works. Like, you would know better than me, dude. Are you guys out celebrating today or just hanging out?
Just hanging out.
It's like a Saturday. Awesome. Very cool.
Yeah.
Are you guys having fun? Are you in third grade? Younger? Older. Younger. Are you in second grade? Like your
I'm
sister?
in Mr. Lopez's class.
Is she nice?
Mr. Lopez.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Is he nice?
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. You have a boy teacher? You're so lucky. Most kids your age do not have boy teachers. That's pretty cool.
Okay, yes.
He's fun. Oh, he's fun? Yeah? Do you go to school with your brother? Do you see him a lot at school or no? Yeah? What grade are you in? Fourth? Third? Fourth, right? Fourth. That's what I thought. Are you 10 or 9? Oh, you're almost 10. When's your birthday?
June 19.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
7.
You're 17?
No, 7.
You didn't drive a bill here? You're
Yeah.
not 17? I think silly, actually. So you're 7. When are you going to be 8? When's your birthday? Remember when your birthday is? Oh, you're both June?
Yeah, they're both June babies.
Oh my goodness, you guys have to share your birthday? No, there's different days. Oh, you do? She's like, yes, I do. Okay. Oh, you are funny. You're silly.
Look at that flamingo.
Do you like being in fourth grade? Kind of? Not really, yeah. What's your favorite subject in fourth grade? Like math, history, writing, or like music, or PE?
Music.
Oh, really? It's kind of awesome, right? What instrument are you learning to play? The recorder?
Trumpet.
Oh, really? What? You learn to play the trumpet? Are you serious? How are you so talented?
Yeah, he
It's
is.
amazing. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm like, I don't know how to play the trumpet. That's
When I
cool.
was in fourth grade, I didn't learn how to play music.
That's impressive. That's cool. Good for him.
Yeah.
Are you learning an instrument too or no? Not yet. Later on, right? Yeah, exactly. What was that, sweetheart? Oh, that's cool. That's fun. That's fun, right? Yeah, that's fun. Okay, my friend. Our flamingo. And then, I'm gonna give it some eyeballs. Should it have eyelashes? Yeah, of course. Of course. And then eyelashes. You're welcome. Now, you sure you don't want a sword? It's a lot bigger than the Among Us. You want a small Among Us guy?
Oh, with the little ones on the head.
We don't know how to put, you mean a hat on his head, right? We don't know how to do that. It's just the Among Us character.
You want just Among Us,
Okay.
Ayden?
You're good. Among Us character? Okay, not a sword or a whatever, or a lightsaber, right? Okay, Among Us character. You got it. For sure. I got you. Okay. Have you guys been here before?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. You probably had us make you balloons then, right?
Not during
Not
that.
here. Okay, we've been here for like 17 years.
Oh, wow.
They let us come in here very kindly. So we don't pay them, they don't pay us. They still share a dog, which is so nice of them.
Oh, that's nice.
So then I mostly go to house parties and events. That's when I'm hired by the hour.
Oh, you do?
That's mostly all I do. Yeah, I still have any bookings this weekend, so I'm thankful to be able to work in restaurants.
Oh, that's good,
So
too.
it's nice. Yeah, it gives me a place to work, right? So
You
it's
get to
good.
be with families or entertain
Yeah.
them with the balloons.
Exactly. Make kids happy, hopefully.
Because she loves flamingos, right?
It's fun, right? It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's good.
Those are my favorite animals.
Oh, are you serious? Out of all the animals, are balloon animals? Not real animals?
One time she had a birthday party, it was just all flamingos. Remember?
Oh,
And
really?
avocado.
Did you have a balloon maker come?
No, she didn't have one.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
She had
Yes.
like a flamingo birthday.
Yes, how fun. That's so cute.
I used to have those now for free.
Yeah, we used to have that one too.
You did? Really? Cool, dude.
Tell her you had a Sonic birthday too.
You like Sonic still, yeah? Okay, your brain is kind of hit or miss if you like Sonic or not. I'm trying to learn a Sonic. I don't know how to build one yet. I always get asked for it. So I need to learn one. But the one I learned takes 30 minutes, so I can't build that in here. I gotta do faster stuff.
Oh yeah.
Do you know FNAF?
What, bud?
FNAF?
And it's Freddy, she knows it, but she doesn't know.
Oh, you're asking about what you're calling it? So it's Five Nights at Freddy's, but you're calling it like the acronym and you're saying it as a word.
Yeah.
FNAF? Okay, I've never heard a kid call that yet. I've heard it called Five Nights at Freddy's. You're the first kid, bud.
know.
I know what it is. Yeah, I still know how to build stuff from it.
I like how many characters do you know?
Well, when I'm at a birthday party, I know about 100 characters, and here I know about 3. That's for you, buddy. There you go. Thank you guys.
This is
Have a
for
great
you.
day. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Okay. Bye, you guys.
Have a
Happy
good
New Year.
day.
Bye,
Thank
you guys.
you.
My flamingo's so big.
Let me see the mangoes. Turn it over.
What is it, Ayden?
It's my pet. It's Among Us.
Oh, it's nice. And you, Delilah?
A flamingo.
Oh, it's a big one too, huh?
It's my pet. And comment which one is the best. Which one is your favorite? Guys, we got I got a hamburger. Aiden got
Yeah.
wait, not French, not wait, one.